Tell me what we're looking at here.
So today we got the Tony GoKart out here. It's an electric conversion. This is basically a SurRon motor, 2 SurRon batteries, 60 volt, with a BAC 8000. We're currently running it to the max, which is about 160 amps combined with both batteries. They're both in parallel. This thing is a beast. Total speed is about 55 miles an hour, and we're limited to the motor currently due to the fact that it's overheating. Right now we're running a gear ratio 13 to 60, and we're actually running into other problems with that due to the fact that it's so low. This thing scrapes all over the place.
Show me what you got. I want to see this thing run. Oh my god. Let's hit the streets. We got Jimbo on the world's fastest razor. We got the dual battery SurRon kart. Hey, put your lights on. Oh, there we go, there we go. Oh, he's fast. This has no business being in the street. And I don't know if you saw, but the sprocket has like not even an inch of clearance. Dude, you are so badass on this thing. You need like a flag or a light whip or something. A dual light whip. Yeah, we got the thumbs up. I am on the KO setup. It's not figured out yet. It's pretty slow and a little too snappy, but I'm riding.
Right now we're running 10,000 kilowatts.
Okay, there you go, 10 kilowatts. So that's like double stock SurRon power because you got the double battery. Damn. Oh my god, he's so fast. Dude, we're like downtown, and you're just on this thing. No way. Next to the GTR. Oh. You guys trying to race at the light? If the GTR's rolling their window down, ask what that is. That's how you know it's cool. So what, are you running if you get lit up or what? Because I feel like it'd be impossible to catch you. Traffic work, traffic work. Oh my god. We got the coolest EVs in LA right now. Oh my god, I can't even keep up.
Just first of all, get used to it.
Oh my god. Oh, it hugs you so much. Wow. Oh my god. So low to the ground. Oh, it's slippery. Oh. Oh. It's too much power. I can't control this thing. You tap the throttle and you're already drifting. I've got a 72 volt battery, motor, and controller. I can just slap him on one of these. We can be matching. What do you think the move is?
Staples Center?
Let's do it. Dude, this is perfect. Let's just do a drag race right here. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. All right.
SurRonster! Fuck yeah, dude.
What's up, bro?
SurRonster right here, Anthony. You watch your shit.
Thanks for watching, dude. I appreciate it a lot.
First time I seen your face, I think.
Yeah, hopefully.
Yeah, I watch a lot of your shit. This ain't the one that you did before that you went way out, right?
Yeah, it is a new one. That's so cool you watch my shit, dude. Yeah, thanks.
Dude. What's up, brother?
What's up? So he's running 2 SurRon batteries, SurRon motor, and then a BAC 8000 controller. This thing's crazy. I'm gonna steal it. Oh my god. I love that I can just go under these barriers. Oh. Donut in the middle of the street. Oh. I'm on demon mode. Jim, do me a favor and try to look out for me. Which one's the horn? That's the horn I got. Oh man, here we go. My SurRon turned off on him.
It turned off on me.
It shouldn't be doing that. All right. Oh my god. I'm like dissociating right now. This doesn't feel real. I feel like I'm living in a video game right now. I've got my tinted goggles on. I can hardly see. Full GTA vibes. Oh man.
Different stuff.
Dude, I'm like invisible to cars. Whoa. This is the coolest thing I've ever done. Downtown LA, like full on Mario Kart. Oh, they're filming a movie. Just a normal day. Just commute. Hey, we're still going straight, right? Oh, I'm going through the yellow. Let's go.
I know what you're saying by now.
About the yeah, it feels weird, right?
Nasty.
So cool. Such a weird feeling. I feel like this isn't real. Whoa. Oh shit. There's like zero clearance on the ground. Should we squeeze to the front? You guys like that?
Oh yeah, good.
Oh, the 360 cam's gone. The 360 camera's done. Hang in there, buddy. Oh, he's blocking my throttle. Whoa, this is so crazy. Now I know exactly where we are. That's where the LA Skate weekly rides usually start. Dude, you built the coolest thing ever. This thing is insane.
Wait until you see the other one.
There's another one? Oh no, the 360 camera's down again. No. Oh man, this is so nice. Just flying down this smooth road. It was smooth. I'm passing this guy. Drifting. Yeah, no way. Whoa. I literally cannot see 20 feet in front of me because of the tinted goggles. But I'm familiar with this from other e-skate rides. Oh man. Wow. That was so cool. I'm either gonna make one of these myself or make another video on this at least, because this is too cool. As always, thank you so much for watching. As I do.
Yeah.